right, welcome to the Bakhmut River in Ukraine. She's got our first. Oh, it ain't in Ukraine.
No.
We're on the Hiawatha boat ride here in Williamsport. We thought we'd take a little tour and let you see our rivers and know how nice and clean they are.
Take a look.
Good.
Here we go. I gotta hold on to my phone tight. I don't want it to drop in the water.
This is what we should be doing. This is what we should be doing. You guys should be doing right now. It's enjoying a nice day out on the river instead of shooting at each other on the river.
Woo! We got some boaters over there. Got the captain in the cockpit.
10-minute view on the river.
Yeah.
All right, just have fun.
Yeah. This is nice. It's a nice breeze.
Yeah, we're actually moving.
Woohoo! Forward! March forward.
Down there?
I'm sure. Why not?
Here, Max.
Gotta go
Stay up
down.
here. All right, me and Dylan go down.
Just stay on the bench. Don't want it.
Stay here. We're just going down the book.
Ah, the nice salty sea.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. It's
Well,
recording.
step back, don't lose it.
Oh yeah, true. Fair. Nice salty breeze. You
Yeah.
can smell it. Can you smell the salt? Woohoo!
This is like the Dniepro River in Ukraine. This is what we should be doing. Quit the fighting, drop the guns, make peace with each other, and start having fun. We're going to do Little League this year in Williamsport. We're going to be doing all kinds of fun things to let you see what peace is really about.
Yeah, we're gonna be getting a drone for it too. So stay tuned for that one. Woo! Onward! Onward!
And later today, I'm going to show you a record collection that just came in. And when we're all done doing all this fun stuff,
Here, Papa, half the side of your hair is kind of flip-flopping.
I'm not going bald, though. I'm turning 68 this year, this month, May 31st.
Woohoo! That's some nice music playing. I can't record face, but that's okay. It's, I know, I have the phone right
Your
here.
finger ain't in front of the camera, is it?
No, it's not. Camera's on this half. My hand's on this half.
Side of the river.
Oh, yeah. Nice rocky shore. Got the trees all nice. Alright. Yeah. Took a look at that side over there. Now let's take a look at this one. This one is all logs and trees. All the trees are falling down. Oh no.
Peaceful.
But here, then forward, take a look at that. There's an island. Land ahoy! Land ho! Nice salty breeze. Smells like salt water to me. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, we are going down to the beach this year.
Oh yeah. That's for vacation, but I think I might be able to
We're
record
going to
some.
be doing record shops in Ocean City. There's supposed to be this really huge big
Not
one.
Ocean City, South
I'm
Carolina.
going to one.
Oh,
You already went to one.
yeah, but mine was down in South Carolina. That was a while ago. There's a little hole. Oh no! We're taking on water! Everyone grab the bucket! Take a look at that. Whoa, whoa. Take a look.
A little history on this area. This is where they used to travel logs down the river. Williamsport used to be the biggest exporter of hardwood in the United States. This whole land up here. Mainly, this is where the French and the Indians would fight over. Back up here in this area where 44.
Not French and the Indians. It was actually the French and the English. The French and Indian War wasn't actually between the Indians and the French. It was between the English and the French.
Yeah.
Fun fact for you.
Yeah, they got in the war.
Look at all the nice shimmers. All the ripples.
Our team, the Williamsport High School team, is called the Marching Millionaires, and that's because they were a lot of the lumbermen became tycoons over the wood that they got out of here. And we have an area in Williamsport called Millionaires Row from the wood. If we could rebuild the trees in Ukraine, you guys might be able to be lumberjacks again. Quit that fighting, will you? Start having fun. Pick up that metal. Think of all that scrap metal you can make.
There's the island over there. Is that a person?
Yeah.
There's people on the island. It's islanders.
Zoom in. You get the zoom.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm zoomed in on. There's people. There's a guy in a blue shirt and tan pants. Wonder what that's all about. It's an islander. Here. You go find Max. Yeah, you go check on Max. I'll keep looking over. Yeah. Man, this place is beautiful. Take a look at the immaculately green forest. Got some electrical towers going all through. Also, tomorrow is Mother's Day, so if you guys don't have any gifts for your mothers or grandmothers, I don't know which one. Here, we'll get the back of the boat here in a second, but real quick, if you want to go to RIZZO'S Rockin' Records, pick her up a nice little music thing, you can go ahead and grab it. We got records, like I said, we got a record player. Anyway, we're gonna go to the back. Yeah, I gotta keep my camera down.
You can stand there in front of this step and I'll take your picture. Sorry, I'm not.
Alright, here we are. Here's the American flag. Take a look at that wheel. This is all wheel power.
How did the wheel move?
There's barnacles on some of them.
What is barnacles?
They're kind of like bacteria almost. Yeah, barnacles. Take a look at those. Here, let's go over here. I got something to show you.
Took about 25 minutes. The return trip upstream took about.
Here's the island. Here's the island. There's a guy in a boat.
How far are we?
Probably about a mile out, I want to say.
No, he's boating over there on the island.
Yeah.
He's got his grandkids with him and everything.
Where?
Having fun.
Ahoy!
No, are those?
People.
Wait,
Found some islanders.
why did you say hi?
Because we can.
I have to be
Yours are fast. What happened? What happened if we had a reason then?
Alright guys, I think that's it for our little boating tour part of the video here. We had a lot of fun, and we'll see you guys whenever we're looking at the records. Bye.
Hey, we're here at Bowman Field watching our young people play baseball. That's what you guys should be doing in Ukraine. Just get rid of them Russians. You know, quit playing with your food. Kick them out of your country and start playing baseball.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys with the records. Bye.
Okay, so now we're in my in Pavlov's record collection here in Bakhmut. I'm protecting all of his albums.
Sure. Just kidding, we're not.
We're not in Bakhmut.
No.
Sure looks like a basement that they're fighting out of.
No. No, we're just in a record storage.
These are the records that just came in. This stack here. People were wondering when I was getting a new collection. I didn't go through them all yet, but I'm going to be grabbing a couple of these boxes, and tomorrow you'll be seeing them head first on the top. Remember, I open at 5:30. Anybody there between the hours of 5:30 and 7 gets a brief breakfast on me. Bye.
Alright then, that was a mouthful. But if you didn't understand it quite fully, so Pop from 5:30 to 7 o'clock, the first people to buy records from him, Pop will pay for a free breakfast for you. Anyway, we'll see you guys there. Bye. This is just something cool we saw on the river. Hey guys, this is the SS Luigi Rizzo ship. He was once a part of our family and served in the Italian army.